I am going to explain about the topic of variables and constants, data types, ranges, garbage value, conditional statements, looping, break and continue, switch and go to. That's and all coming under the topics of variables and constants. First, we're going to see what is variables and what is constants also. Variable is the name of memory. Variables are changed, but constants are not changed. Variables are stored the value in the memory locations. For example, we declare integer I is equal to 5, enters the integer, it locates the byte for 2 or 4 depending upon the compiler we used. I is the variable that declare for the value that can stored in the memory. 5 is the value to be stored. Variables are changed. However, I want change our declarations and used in the program. From this slide, data type and its ranges. Those pictures gives us the ranges of signed unsigned character and short long signed unsigned int, float, double, long doubles. This character, integers and float, double, these and all coming under the topics of primitive data types. Its ranges is given in that picture. Bytes and format specifications used is also given. From the next one, garbage value. Garbage value means I don't know what the value stored in the memory location after the variable is assigned. That empty locations or before any values assigned state is called the garbage value. For example, in that empty memory locations we assign only that situations we declare any number as a garbage value. From the right side, integer and float conversion. For integer conversion, which value you divided, example int by int, float by int, float by float, these all gives us the result integer part only. But the float conversion, divide the integer by integer, float by integer or float by float, it gives the float variables only, float values only. The only difference is integer give the output as integer, float give the output as float, whatever we divided in that case. From next one, conditional statements. Conditional statements such as if else, switch, nested, some other, etc. I defined in that part as only if statement. We used conditional parts if for loops also. We not supposed to use the semicolon in that time. In that if statement, both the conditions are true only, the output get true, or either one is true, output is true. Not operator complement and all we are not used in that. Otherwise the condition is false, it exit from the loop. From the right side, some operators and the types and all giving in that image. Logical not, arithmetic and modulus, arithmetic relationals, logical and logical or assignments are given. These are all the conditional operators used in the program. Looping. I explained about 3 loopings: while loop, for loop and do while loop. While loop is declare value and check the condition, goes body if statement and then incremented. If the condition is true only, it goes to the increment part, otherwise it exits from the loop. For a for loop, declare value for initialization condition increment is the main thing in that loop. Then body of the statement after goes to check the condition. Again it print the value. For doing that initialization conditional increment part only, this loop is working. The conditions are false, loop will be exit. The next one is dual, almost similar to the while loop, only difference is condition is check in the last. Body part is execute first, then incremented. After check the condition in the loop, at least looping once in the program is conformly perform in that do while, because we are going to check the condition at the last only. It is similar to the while loop. Break, continue, switch and go to. Break and continue means in break check the condition, encounter the break, it takes end of the loop. In continue statement, whenever it continue it takes increment and skip the other statement in the program. We are all know the iterations means it go back to check the conditions again and again. This will happens in the continue statement. Switch and go to. In switch statement it has a choice, cases, statements, break and also default. Depending upon the choice, output is printed along the cases and statements. In the console screen we put on choices, that depending upon the choice the print will be given as an output. Without break the case will print continuously. Put break means that some condition is exit and then check other conditions or exit from the loops depending upon the program or condition given in that statement. Go to means once the go to is encounter, then is create one label, control reaches to that label and then get the program as exist. It is like similar to the continue statement. Iteration is perform, also similar to the break statement. Whenever reaches that go to label, that time program will exist.